In traditional Chinese culture, the Huazhao Festival is the celebration of flower goddesses. 12 dancers, each dressed up as a flower goddess, put on performances in the park. Visitors can also try out some traditional craftwork, such as weaving, pottery, and participate in tea ceremonies.
I saw a lot of young women wearing Hanfu dresses. I just tried weaving, and now I'm going to have some tea here.
There's an ocean of tulips in the newly renovated Dongping National Forest Park. The park will also serve as the southern venue for the China Flower Expo.
We'll also be presenting lilies and wisterias soon, with lupinus and azaleas added later. We welcome visitors to come to the park and get a preview before the opening of the China Flower Expo.
The flower fair will last until May 20th, one day before the opening of the Flower Expo. In its northern venue, over 2,000 flags were placed in the terrace, marking the locations where each type of flower is to be planted based on type, size, and color.
We will plant the flowers according to the flags. The type and color of the flower is printed on the flags. We will start planting on April 20th, and we will get it done by May the 10th.
Flower provider Bright Flower Group has chosen 1,000 varieties of flowers from a pool of 2,500 candidates for the expo.
These are some patients. They were chosen to be exhibited because they look nice in clusters, and the weather in Chongming from May to July is suitable for their growth.
Over 20 million pots of flowers prepared for the expo are now bred in various locations in Shanghai and Yunnan.